Hmm, Switching concepts. Welcome to the Switching Concept Practice Lab. In this module, you will be provided with the instruction and devices needed to develop your hands-on skills. Switching is a fundamental networking concept that involves the efficient forwarding of data within a local area network. In this context, virtual local area networks, or VLANs, provided a mechanism to logically segment a network into multiple networks, enhancing network flexibility and security. Maximum Transmission Unit, or MTU, is a key parameter specifying the maximum size of data packets that can be transmitted over a network. Proper MTU configuration ensures efficient data transmission and avoids fragmentation issues. Knowing this concept is essential for designing and managing modern network infrastructure, enabling efficient traffic control, segmentation, and optimal data transmission. What we're going to learn: VLANs and MTU. After this module, we should be able to install and configure VMs in Hyper-V, configure VLAN communication, and modify the MTU. Next. Next na natin to. Exercise 1, VLANs. A network segmentation technique that enables the logical grouping of devices with a physical network, enhancing network organization and security. VLANs work at the data link layer, or layer 2 of the OSI model. We talked that about introduction. The introduction of this Concha network. It is the layer 2 of the OSI model. They allow multiple broadcast domains to be created within a network by isolating traffic and grouping devices based on their functional roles or departments. VLANs provide flexibility, scalability, and efficient network management. In this exercise, you will create virtual machines, VMs, and demonstrate VLAN connectivity. The learning outcomes: installing configure VM hardwares and configure VLAN communication. Task 1. Install and configure VMs in Hyper-V. The Tiny Core VM will be used to demonstrate VLAN connectivity. In this task, you will install and configure 2 Tiny Core VMs in Hyper-V. Step 1. Connect to ACID M01. On the taskbar, select Hyper-V Manager. Hyper-V Manager. In the Hyper-V Manager and the Action panel, Virtual Switch Manager, and then internal, create virtual switch, create a virtual switch. In Hyper-V, an internal switch is a type of virtual switch that allows communication between virtual machine and the same host while remaining isolated from the external network. And the name, mod9 switch. Then we're going to click OK. Action pane na naman. Virtual machine. Or dito. Ito, virtual machine. Okay. Next. And then BM1. BM1. Next. 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 In the new virtual machine wizard installation, select this, then click browse. An ISO file is a disk this image that contains an exact copy of the contents of the storage device. Typically an optical disk such as CD or DVD. It is commonly used for distributing software, operating system, and other large datasets, and can be mounted as a virtual disk for installation or access. C-Labs Module 9. As in labs. This PC. This PC. Labs. Wala naman. Ito, labs. Module 9. Ito. And then next. And then click finish. This completes the installation of the TinyCore operating system of the BM1 machine. In the Hypermon action pane, in the virtual machine. Next. BM2. Next. Generation 1. Next lang ulit throw natin to. Just finish. Ay, inulit na natin na kanina. In the Hyper-V Manager window, virtual machine start. Start rin natin to. Task 2, configure VLAN communication. VLANs facilitate communication by logically segmenting a physical network into distinct virtual networks, allowing devices within the same VLAN to communicate as if they were on the same LAN, while isolating traffic from other VLANs. VLAN communication are managed through VLAN tagging via the 802.1q protocol, which involve adding a VLAN identifier to network frames, enabling switches to route traffic based on the VLAN membership of devices. In this task, you will configure VLAN communication to add VLAN tags and demonstrate VLAN connectivity. Step 1. Double click. Na-double click na natin. Sudo ba't iba? Tama naman. This command, when executed with administrative privileges using sudo, assigns the IP address to the network interface ETH along with a subnet mask up to it config ETH0. Wala pala. This command retrieves and displays configuration information for the network interface, including details such as IP address, MAC address, and current operational status. Observe that the IP address of 10 has been assigned and the network mask has been assigned in 255. Oh, okay. Ito. 10. Double click on the V1. Sa B2 naman tayo. Pwede na kaya? Bawal pa rin. Damot. Ay, nasign lang natin to. Okay. Assign ko na yun. Narito. Ping natin. Ping. Since itong network contains both the VM1 can communicate directly with each other via ping. In the VM2 command line window, press Ctrl C to stop the ping command. Oh, okay. Minimize natin po. Right click. Select settings. Network adapter. Kasi yung network adapter. Ito. Checkbox. Enable LAN identification. In Hyper-V, enabling VLAN identification allows the VM to tag outgoing network frames with a VLAN identifier, facilitating communication within a specific VLAN. This configuration is useful when working with virtual local area networks or VLAN to logically segment network traffic within a virtualized environment. Step 2, 10. Then click OK. Okay, kayo. Communication from the BM1 interface will now be tagged with a VLAN 10 identifier. Parang ganun din ang gagawin natin dito. Network adapter. Ilan kaya papagawa sa atin dito? 20 naman to. 20. Then click OK. Okay kayo. Communication between the BM2 interface will now be tagged with a VLAN 20 identifier. Double click BM2. Ping natin, ping. 56. Even though the two machines are visually assigned to a network that should be able to communicate, their communication is tagged with different VLAN IDs. Preventing their communication, this simulates configuring a VLAN on the switch and assigning the switch port connected to each VM to different VLANs. Okay. Tapos, Command C. Double click to the minimize. Right click. Settings. So, BM1 tayo, network adapter, and then going to click gawin natin 22. Okay, gawin naman natin 20. Tapos tapos ping ulit natin yung ping 10.0.10. Nakakonect sila. Connections. Since BM1 and BM2 are both in the same logical network and the communication from both machines are tagged with the same VLAN ID, the two machines can communicate directly with each other via ping. It's nothing. BM1 shutdown. BM2 shutdown. Close the Hyper-V manager. Close natin lahat. Exercise 2. The maximum transmission unit or MTU is the biggest data packet size in bytes that may be sent over a network. MTU enables the efficiency of transmitting data and is crucial for preventing fragmentation issues. Proper MTU configuration ensures that data is transmitted optimally and without the need for packet fragmentation, contributing to network performance and reliability. Learning items, modify the MTU. Task 1, modify the MTU. Modifying the MTU involves adjusting the maximum size of data packets that can be transmitted over a network, often done to optimize network performance or accommodate specific network requirements. Reasons for modifying MTU include reducing latency, improving bandwidth efficiency, and ensuring compatibility with network devices that support non-standard MTU values. In this task, you will discover and modify the MTU size for the BM1 ETH0 interface. Connect natin to. Select Hyper-V machine. And the VM1. Start natin to. Bagal. If config ETH0. Observe the MTU is set to 1500. Wala naman. Ayan o, 1500 sudo pip config ETH0 MTU to 1000, no such device. Ay, mali pala. This command executed with an administrative privileges using sudo modifies the MTU of a network interface ETH to 1000 bytes. The adjusted MTU value of 1000 bytes can be useful for optimizing network performance or addressing specific network requirements. Going to if config ETH0. Yeah, 1000 na lang yung MTU niya. Observe that MTU value is now set to 1000 bytes. Double click na, minimize natin to. Turn off natin. Turn off natin yung BM1. Close the Hyper-V manager. Close natin lahat. And then we're done. Tapos na.